once we can conduct some quizzes based on this. Okay, so now everyone took the problem, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just I will project the paint. So how many of you know to solve this problem? How many of you know to solve this problem? Just read the problem once and tell me, sir, I know to solve this problem 10%, 15% or 100%. Okay, so just I will be taking one, I will solve one problem. So then you pick one, I will give another problem as an example, so you can solve that one. So now, what he has given? He has given an horizontal venturi meter. He has given horizontal venturi meter, right? So you need to make a note that it is an horizontal venturi meter. Horizontal venturi meter. Okay, then what he has given, with the inlet and throat diameters 30 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So inlet dia, that is D1, is equal to 30 centimeter. So in terms of meter, what it will be?
0.3.
Can you tell me in terms of point?
0.3. 0.3.
0.3 meter. Then he has given throat diameter. Throat diameter D2 is equal to 15 centimeter. 0.15 meter. Respectively, is used to measure the flow of the water. So here water is flowing. Water is flowing. Just this is also important thing. Here the water is flowing. Okay. Next, full stop. The reading of differential manometer connected to inlet and the throat. Inlet and the throat is 20 centimeter of mercury. So what is this? The reading of differential manometer connected to inlet and the throat is 20 centimeter of mercury. So this will be describing the value of X. 20 centimeter of mercury. 20 centimeter of mercury. Then determine the rate of flow. I need to determine the rate of flow. That is Q. I need to determine rate of flow. Q.
Sir,
Yes.
now question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇ ಬೇರೆ sir ನೀವು.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, specific gravity of oil is 0.8. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
0.8 is flowing through venturi meter.
Having DI into ಅದು ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? Okay, I will take that one only. Or else you do one thing. You give space for that. ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. I will clear this one. Just I will take new sheet. Yes, the new sheet is visible now.
Yes sir.
Okay, so yes, what is that problem? An oil of specific gravity, right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
An oil of specific gravity. So data, an oil of specific gravity 0.8, specific gravity S of oil of oil, 0.8 is flowing through the venturimeter. So what in the pipe, what it is flowing now?
Oil, sir.
Oil.
So keep remember this one. In the pipe, oil is flowing. Okay, and the oil is having a specific gravity of 0.8. Having an inlet diameter, D1 is equal to 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter, and the throat diameter D2 is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. The oil mercury differential manometer showing a reading of 25 centimeter. So here showing a reading. So differential manometer, it is showing a reading. If differential manometer comes, you take it as value of X, that is 25 centimeter of oil mercury differential manometer. So I can write it as 0.25 meter. Calculate the discharge of oil through the horizontal venturimeter. Calculate the discharge of oil through horizontal venturimeter. Through horizontal venturimeter. Okay, then CD is equal to 0.98. Then CD is equal to 0.98. Is anything given in the problem? That's all right. Is anything given in the problem?
Master, sir.
That's all.
Okay. So now, so which is heavier liquid, mercury or oil?
Mercury.
Mercury is the heavier liquid because specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and specific gravity of oil is 0.8, right?
8.
Yes, sir.
So here, heavier liquid I can consider it as a mercury. Okay, and lighter liquid will be the oil. So which formula I should consider? If the fluid is having heavier liquids, which one I should consider? Yes.
H is equal to H into 1 minus SL by S naught.
So here in the last cases, last class I gave 4 cases. Okay, in that case 1 I said for the heavier liquids, case 2 for lighter liquids, and case 3 for inclined, case 4 for inclined. See now, mercury is a heavier liquid. Suppose, just I will give the clarity here itself. Suppose in the manometer, if water is taken, then the flow of the oil in the pipe is taken. So then what was the formula to find out H? Yes. So did you get my point? What I am saying? Arthagila. Okay, I will say once again. Okay, so I will say once again. And I will give 2 conditions here. Just you only tell me which will be applicable for that. So I will about this one. Now, manometer, we have this one. And in pipe, flow we have this one. Suppose in the manometer, if I consider water, and in the pipe flow, if I consider oil only. So here which formula I should consider, and here which formula I should consider? Yes,
You should take both conditions.
both
Conditions.
conditions also you should consider. See, just this is one point. If you come with this h value, then you substitute the q value. What that is, q value is common formula for all the terms. Then you will be getting direct answers. Just a single step, you can get 8 to 10 marks. So you need to come up with this thing. You need to come up with this thing. Okay. So just see here. You don't take this one. You take till here. Okay. Just I will be giving one more conclusion over here. See, in our given problem, we have a flow of the oil, and in the manometer the mercury is there. Manometer, mercury is there. Manometer, mercury is there. So here it is having S is equal to 0.8, and I can say here S is equal to 13.6. So compared to this flow of the oil, mercury is heavier. I can say it is related to heavier liquid by considering the manometer. So we are applying heavier liquid formula. What is that heavier liquid formula? H is equal to
H is equal to X into SH by S naught minus 1.
minus 1 into X, right? So this is for the heavier liquid formula. Suppose I'll take one more here. Okay, here the same oil is flowing. Okay, oil is flowing, and it is having S is equal to 0.8. But I will take over here. The water is there in the manometer for measuring the pressure. So now which is the, whether it is related to heavier liquid or lighter liquid?
Lighter.
Lighter liquid. Okay, by considering the quantity of the thing present in the manometer, I have to consider whether it is related to lighter liquid or heavier liquid. 1 second. So then I can take the formula as H is equal to X into 1 minus, what is the formula? SL by
1 minus SL by S naught.
S naught. Now you got some clarity regarding this. When to take SL by S naught, 1 minus SL by S naught, and when to take H by S naught minus 1. Okay, suppose if there is a more specific gravity compared to this value, okay, compared to these values, if there is more specific gravity in the flow of the fluid, then I was considering that as a lighter liquid. Okay, so now according to a given problem, we are going to consider the fluid is in the mercury in the manometer is heavier liquid. Then I can take the formula to find out the value of H is equal to X into SH by S naught minus 1. Okay. So now what is the X value? X value is
0.25 meter.
0.25.
0.25 and SH value is specific gravity of heavier liquid
13.6 sir.
13.6.
13.6. Specific gravity of oil
0.8.
0.8 minus 1. Tell me what is the value of H? What is the value of H?
Four.
Value of H is
4.
4 meter. Right? Now, what is the formula to find out Q? What is the formula to find out Q?
A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2.
No. In venturimeter. In venturimeter, what is the formula to find out Q?
Root 2GH into A1 A2 by
Yes.
root A1 square minus A2 square.
Q is equal to CD into square 2GH A1 A2 divided by square root of A1 square minus A2 square. Okay. Now in this, CD is given. CD is given.
Yes, sir, 0.9.
Yes, sir.
CD is given, that is 0.98. And what is G?
9.81.
9.81. Then what is H?
4 meter.
4 meter. Then what is A1 and A2?
We need to
A1
find out,
is-
sir. Diameter has given.
Okay. And A2 is pi by 4 into D square. Then what is A1, A2? Then substitute all these values in Q. You tell me final answer of Q. That is in terms of meter cube per second. Then in terms of liter per second. Both I need. So I will give 2 minutes time for this. Yes, make it fast.
Sir, 0.4409.
0.4409. No. What is A1, A2 value?
Sir, 0.0714, sir.
0.071.
0.07143.
Yeah. In terms of liters,
ನನಗೆ 68 ಆ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
68 or 69?
69.
69 is okay.
68 I am getting.
68, you check it once.
Hmm.
Because
Okay.
two values won't be difference. One value or something point, so it is okay.